So this is how you use the EA. You go here to the navigator window and attach the chat Engulfing Sniper. You put in your password. This will give you access to, and the EA is attached. You can see it right here. Then we can go ahead to the strategy tester. Yeah, so on the strategy tester you can see how it's operating. Anytime there's an engulfing candle based on the trend, it places a trade with a reasonable stop loss and take profit targets. You can see how it's doing so far. So let us skip to the end so that we can view our results. This strategy is very simple yet also very effective. Yeah. You can see the performance on from the strategy tester. A very wonderful performance. You can see the EA performed very well, which is okay as expected.